Tired of tingling hands, wobbly legs, and stiff joints holding you back? Does that pins and needles feeling in your fingers or that sudden weakness in your legs make you feel years older than you are? What if I told you that the secret to getting back your strength, stability, and comfort might be hiding in your kitchen, disguised as some incredibly delicious snacks? Welcome to Your Daily Reset. Dr. Victor Leland here again. You've probably heard about collagen for skin, but its power goes so much deeper. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your body together. It's a crucial protein that provides structure to your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It also forms a protective sheath around your nerves. When your collagen levels drop, which naturally happens as we age, the structure starts to weaken. Your joints lose their cushioning, leading to stiffness and aches. Your ligaments and tendons become less flexible. And importantly, the protective coating around your nerves can thin out, which can contribute to that annoying tingling and numbness in your hands and feet. So, how do we fight back? By giving our bodies the building blocks, they need to produce more of this vital protein. And the best part is, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines. You can start right now with simple, tasty, and natural foods. Today, I'm going to share 8 delicious collagen-boosting snacks that you can easily make at home. These aren't just good for you. They taste amazing and will have you looking forward to your daily health boost. Let's get snacking and build a stronger, more vibrant you from the inside out. First up, for all you chocolate lovers, we have dark chocolate midnight clusters. Yes, you heard that right, chocolate. Dark chocolate, especially the kind with over 70% cacao, is packed with copper. Copper is a key mineral that activates an enzyme essential for building strong and stable collagen fibers. For these simple clusters, all you need is a cup of high-quality dark chocolate chips and a mix of your favorite nuts and seeds, like almonds and pumpkin seeds, which are also rich in zinc, another collagen-supporting mineral. Just melt the dark chocolate gently over a double boiler or in the microwave. Once it's smooth, stir in your nuts and seeds until everything is well coated. Then, spoon small clusters onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pop them in the fridge for about 15 minutes to set, and that's it. You have a decadent, crunchy, and powerful snack that satisfies your sweet tooth while helping your body repair itself. 1 or 2 of these a day is a perfect treat. Our second snack is a fun and wiggly treat that kids and adults will love. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Gelatin is basically cooked collagen, making it one of the most direct sources of the amino acids your body needs, like glycine and proline. These are the primary building blocks for creating new collagen. Store-bought gummies are often loaded with sugar, but making your own is incredibly easy and healthy. You'll need 1 cup of 100% fruit juice, like pomegranate or orange juice for a vitamin C boost, and 2 tablespoons of unflavored grass-fed gelatin powder. Vitamin C is critical because it helps link amino acids together during collagen synthesis. Simply warm the fruit juice in a small saucepan, but don't boil it. Whisk in the gelatin powder until it's completely dissolved. Then pour the mixture into silicone molds. Any fun shape will do. Refrigerate for at least an hour until firm. These little nibbles are a fantastic way to directly fuel your collagen production. Next, we have a savory and deeply nourishing option: chicken bone broth bites. Bone broth is a collagen powerhouse, simmered for hours to extract all the collagen, minerals, and amino acids from the bones. To turn this liquid gold into a convenient snack, we're making a savory jello. You'll need 1 cup of high-quality chicken bone broth and 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin. Just like with the fruit nibbles, gently warm the bone broth and whisk in the gelatin until dissolved. For extra flavor, you can add a pinch of salt, pepper, or some finely chopped herbs like parsley. Pour the mixture into an ice cube tray or a small glass dish. Refrigerate until firm. You can pop these bites straight from the fridge for a quick, savory, protein-packed snack that directly supports your joint and nerve health. Moving on to something fresh and hydrating, snack number 4 is Cantaloupe Mint Bites. This one is deceptively simple, but incredibly effective. Cantaloupe is one of the best fruit sources of vitamin C. A single cup provides over 100% of your daily requirement. As we discussed, vitamin C is non-negotiable for collagen synthesis. Without enough of it, your body simply can't produce collagen effectively. For this refreshing snack, just cube some ripe cantaloupe and toss it with a few fresh mint leaves. The mint adds a wonderful cooling flavor and has its own anti-inflammatory benefits. The combination of hydration from the melon and the potent dose of vitamin C makes this the perfect afternoon snack to combat fatigue and support your connective tissues. It's light, sweet, and works wonders for your body's internal scaffolding. Our fifth snack is a classic with a collagen-boosting twist: tomato caprese salad snack. Tomatoes are nutritional superstars, not just for their vitamin C, but for their high concentration of lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your existing collagen from being broken down by sun exposure and environmental toxins. We're essentially playing both offense and defense here, building new collagen and protecting what we already have. To make this, slice up some ripe cherry tomatoes and pair them with small mozzarella balls. Drizzle with a little olive oil, which is great for its anti-inflammatory properties, and sprinkle with fresh basil. This snack is not only delicious and satisfying, but also provides a fantastic combination of vitamin C and antioxidants to keep your collagen network strong and resilient. It's a taste of summer that supports your body year-round. Next up, let's talk about a tropical powerhouse with snack number 6, the Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava is an unsung hero in the fruit world. Ounce for ounce, it contains about 5 times more vitamin C than an orange. This makes it an absolute champion for stimulating collagen production. Pairing it with yogurt adds a great source of protein, including the amino acids proline and glycine. Simply chop up a fresh guava and stir it into a bowl of plain Greek yogurt. The yogurt's protein provides the raw materials, while the guava's massive vitamin C content acts as the foreman, directing the construction of new collagen. For an extra boost, sprinkle some sunflower seeds on top for their vitamin E, which also helps protect against collagen degradation. This bowl is creamy, tangy, and a true superfood combination for your joints and nerves. Snack number 7 is the Kiwi Crunch Snack. Don't underestimate this small fuzzy fruit. 2 kiwis contain more than enough vitamin C for your entire day. They are also rich in vitamin E and other antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress. A major contributor to the breakdown of collagen and nerve damage, this snack is as easy as it gets. Just peel and slice 2 kiwis. To add a crunch and more collagen-supporting nutrients, top them with a tablespoon of chopped walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, and they also contain copper. This simple pairing is sweet, tart, and crunchy, and it delivers a potent 1-2 punch of building and protecting your body's collagen supply. Finally, our 8th delicious snack is pineapple nut bites. Pineapple is another fantastic source of vitamin C, but it has a secret weapon, an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe sore joints and reduce swelling, making it a great partner to collagen structural support. For this snack, take fresh pineapple chunks and roll them in crushed cashews. Cashews are loaded with zinc and copper, 2 essential minerals for the collagen production process. The sweetness of the pineapple combined with the rich, buttery crunch of the cashews makes for an incredibly satisfying snack. You're getting the anti-inflammatory benefits of bromelain, the collagen-building power of vitamin C, and the essential minerals from the nuts all in one delicious bite. So there you have it. 8 easy, delicious, and powerful snacks to help you say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. Let's do a quick recap. We have dark chocolate midnight clusters, gelatin fruit nibbles, chicken bone broth bites, cantaloupe mint bites, tomato caprese salad snack, guava power yogurt bowl, kiwi crunch snack, and pineapple nut bites. You don't have to eat all of them every single day. The goal is to start incorporating 1 or 2 of these into your daily routine. Consistency is key. By feeding your body these crucial nutrients every day, you're giving it the tools it needs to repair and rebuild from the inside out. Stop letting discomfort hold you back. Start building a stronger, more comfortable body today. Which of these snacks are you most excited to try first? Let me know down in the comments. I love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tips for living a healthier, more vibrant life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.